Lance Arts, and he is going to teach what I consider a very unique kick that I haven't seen before.
Okay. We just call it a rising kick. It's a very specific use. We don't really use the kind of kick that uses the blade of the foot because of the danger to the ankle. In this, we are using it, but we're not flexing the ankle, and I'll show you. What we're doing is, it's with my front foot only, and it's really short and snappy. I'm trying to come up under the patella, the kneecap, and just lift that patella. And if I can tear it loose, great. If not, I'm trying to do damage to the knee. That's very specific use. So it's just, we're out moving around, and I just kick and lift up. So I'm trying not to flex my ankle, like I said. I'm trying to keep it straight, but I am using the blade of the foot coming up and just cutting underneath that patella. It can be used as a kind of a stop kick too. If you're stepping in, I can come in. The way it's coming up, it's just lifting without the flex of the ankle, like I said. You know, that side kick that uses the blade of the foot.
Okay.
We avoid that one because it can damage your ankles. But this, where the foot is flat, I'm almost going into like the stiffness and the thrusting out of the heel that you would use for a side kick. Only I'm bringing my side kick up.
Oh, I can feel that. That is a very unique feeling actually with your kneecap. So we have the stop kick, yeah. So what you're saying is I'm kind of flicking it up.
Yeah, just push your foot out like you're doing a side kick. Okay, now you just bring that straight up.
Oh yeah. So just like scraping up. We're doing street here, so. Again, this isn't an MMA move. This isn't a mixed martial arts technique. We're having our shoes here on this, and your shoes are a whole other weapon.
Yes.